turbo. And it's an inline 4. C1, spark plug 2, spark plug 3, 4, yeah. And this isn't just a C10. They've got the wagon. I like how they put it says 10T. The big shift. Seats with the reverse seats in the rear. So you can see who's losing. That's sick. And we're just gonna be all day here. Just a lot of clean classics. A lot of custom work, fabrication. Oh yeah, that's the it's got the not the LS out of the Corvette or the Camaro. It's like a Silverado engine. Nasty machine. It's just nasty. I love it. It's got the patina on it. It's been clear coated to protect it. Just to keep it. Look at that. I mean, there's no shortage of awesome custom cars here. I'm in heaven. Chevy 2, Dynamatic, plastic windows. It's been gutted out. 4 race seats in it. Just aluminum race seats. That's it. Look at this blower on here. Got the Magnuson. Got the catch can there. Giant intake. Got to get all that air into that giant Magnuson supercharger. This thing moves.